This is the baby going poo-poo. She just ripped a big one. Oh yeah, she's happy now about that poo-poo getting out. Are you happy because your poo-poo came out? Huh? Show everybody your pretty smile. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Listen everybody for a special surprise. You have more poo-poo? You have more poo-poo? No? Did you get it all out?
So how do you pookie?
Huh. Show everybody a pretty smile. That's my baby. So the pretty girl. Did you go caca? Oh, she just said get this poop out of my pants. You want the poo-poo out? Oh, please get the poo-poo out of my pants.
See what kind of load you got. That was